Open-fire grills have two wheels for easy mobility to grill in various and versatile locations. The grill is equipped with a safety stand attachment so that the grill is more stable and ensures it will not tip over. The frying pan attachment as well as other attachments should be cleaned with a degreaser and rinsed well with water. Immediately after, season the pan by wiping a thin layer of olive or vegetable oil. Our grills come with an assortment of attachments to accommodate various grilling styles. The attachments are installed at different heights to adjust cooking temperature. An additional attachment increases the grill's multi-functionality. This attachment will allow you to perform multiple cooking styles simultaneously from our main fire pit. Finally, you are left with one task: to join us on your own open fire grill.